Hi, welcome to Ceci YouTube channel. This is a rainbow flower. I'm going to look at Alma Thomas.
Well, here she is. She was born in 1891 in Georgia, moved to Washington, D.C., and became a art teacher for junior high and taught there for 35 years. So when she retired, she was 68, and here's some of her beautiful artwork. It was really, really vibrant and pretty. Ended up in museums and even in the White House.
So let's start off with tracing half of a circle. You don't have to do this, but it looks kind of cool. And here's some big U's. They're upside down for the petals. And then I'm going to start off with red. Can everybody say red? Yes, red. Great. And now I'm going to draw some short lines, and I'm turning it as I go along the edge of my circle, or half my circle. Ooh, I'm just, yeah, right there. See where it's kind of empty there? Every other one, I missed it there. So let's go ahead and see how it's kind of, yeah, I'm trying to do every other one, making a little bit of a pattern. Great. So this is the orange. Everybody say orange. Great. So with the rainbow, the orange is next. Still trying to do that pattern where I'm kind of crossing over and turning my lines. Okay, ooh, make sure you snap it shut. Next is yellow. Everybody say yellow. Good. And we're going to turn our lines. Awesome. Keep going. Take your time. Have fun with this. Wonderful. Does anybody know what's next? Green. Everybody say green. I always get this wrong. So it's green. Green is next. Oh, I closed it. Here's blue. So let's do some blue. And then the next color is indigo. Everybody say indigo. Yeah, indigo. It's kind of like a dark blue purple. And then let's end with purple. I have little lines now. Not a lot of space. But yes, I love my rainbow. Okay, choose a color, and you're going to outline it with that color. I'm going to go around my petals. Everybody say petals. Yes, it's petals for a flower. And I'm going to use the color orange. Great. So you can choose a different color. Now I'm going to use, what color is this? Yes, it's red. I'm going to put it inside the petal. How fun is that? Now I'm going to do orange again. I'm going to put orange on it. So I'm making a pattern. So I have orange, red, orange. Fun. Oh, do you like my pattern? Now it's red. Wonderful. And now it's orange. Ooh, I love it. And you can do a pattern too. So it's every other one. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing. Enjoy.